In this lesson, I will show you how to make charts or graphs by using Microsoft Excel. So here is the some information. First, I will read this information for you. Then I will show you different kinds of graphs. After that, we will work on the graph. So here I have written that Excel has several different types of charts, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your data. In order to use charts effectively, you will need to understand how different charts are used. So see here, these are the different kinds of charts, not all, but few charts are here. See, line chart, bar chart, stack chart. These are different pie charts, and then column chart, stack charts, bubble charts, and so on. And I will show you how you have to make all these kinds of charts. So first is the column charts. Use vertical bars to represent data. They can work with many different types of data, but they are most frequently used for comparing information. Now the question is, what is the meaning of comparing information? I will show you when I will draw chart for you. Then line charts, then pie charts, line charts. The data points are connected with lines. In pie chart, it is easy to compare proportions. What are the proportions? I will show you also this. Then see, after this, when I will show you all the charts, when you will read this very slowly, it will be very easy for you to understand, right? So first of all, I will explain to you how to make the charts. I have made a very simple data here. This is my sales data of 2018 and 2019. If you will see monthly like this one, right, starting from January, you can analyze or visualize very well that in January 2018 sale was 30,000, in 2019 sale was 20,000, so there is a decline of 10,000 in 2019. Similarly, if you will check February, March, so on, you can analyze your data. But normally in our practical life, when we deal, there are thousands or hundreds of records, and it is very difficult to go line by line to visualize. That is why we make the graph or charts. With the help of charts and graphs, it is very easy to visualize our data. So keep in mind, whatever function you have to perform in Microsoft Excel, first you have to select your data, right? Otherwise, you cannot make anything or you cannot perform any function. So how to select it? Bring your insertion point here, because you have to select the title name as well. Press and hold your mouse, drag, and see here, I want these three columns, part of these three columns, so it is selected now. Next step is you have to click on the insert tab, because our charts are here in the charts group. So there are again different ways, right, where you can go and draw your chart, but the easiest way is insert in charts group. This is the recommended charts. If you will open this recommended charts, you will see different kinds of line charts are here. If you want to see all charts, then you have to click here, all charts. These are the column charts, these are the line charts, pie charts, bar charts. So you can play one by one and check whatever you want according to your situation or your need. You can make a chart there. But here, if you will see individually, open this arrow and see, these are the different kind of, this is the bubble chart, scatter chart, and so on. All the charts is also available in the recommended charts, but if you want to see some specific thing, you can also find out here. Just like open this arrow, and here are different 3D, 2D, and more column charts are here, right? Now this is your job or homework, that you have to open one by one and check. If you will open this, so here we have a surface chart as well. So I will show you, starting from here, open this arrow, and here we have see different kinds of charts. I am going to pick this one, clustered column. So see, this is my chart now. Now go back to our first slide, and it says here this column charts that most frequently used for comparing the information. So here you can compare the information very easily. The blue bar represents 2018 data and the orange bar represents 2019 data. So you can visualize that blue bars are bigger than the yellow or the orange one. Right? How I know that this one belongs to the blue belongs to 2018, I will show you. Okay, so next is that you can, the chart is ready, and then you can change the design. One more thing, see, these chart and these numbers are selected. Now you can see this is light pink or purple, these are blue, and this is the circle 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 on the corners, it means it is selected. If I will click any other cell except this or this area, you will see it is now deselect. We do not have that circle here, and even my information is not selected. Now I'm going to click again on this chart to show you that when I will click here, it will be selected, my data will be selected, and then you can see two new tabs, design and format, will pop up here. When I will select this chart, I am going to click here. See, now my this part is also selected, my this chart is also selected, and we have new tabs under chart tools, design and format. Right, one more time, if I will click here, do not say I do not have the format and design tab. Why? Because our this data and this chart is not selected. You have to click anywhere on your chart, so both are selected, then we have design and format tab. So click on the design tab first, and then see we have different templates, chart style. Click here if you want to show your audience this chart like this. If you want, click here, you can change the style. If you do not like any style from here, then see, open this arrow, we can have more style here, whatever you want. Open this, if I say okay, I need this, or which one, okay, that one, this one, okay, this is fine. If you do not like this, right, so this one is the undo button as well. Click here, you can change the style, I will show you later on, but you can undo from here. Or one more time if you want, if you want this one, that is fine. Okay, select here, and then whatever functions you can perform with the design tab, there are some other methods as well. In the design tab, you can see in the chart layouts group, we have add chart elements. Open this arrow, and then see here we have different option, access title, chart title. We do not have any title here. If you want to write down sales, because this data belongs to sales, then this is the chart title. And then where you want to write down your chart, above chart, center, or where, right? And then data labels, I will come back here. Here are more functions, but if you want to apply some basic function, you can see when this chart is selected, it is not selected now. When I will click here, you will see three plus sign, brush and filter is also here. Right, so open this plus sign. This plus sign and this add chart elements more or less same. In add chart elements we have more function, but most commonly used function you can find out from here as well. Just like access, right, access title, see, it is, there is no check mark. If I will put a check mark here, you can notice what will happen to our chart. See here, click here, now it will allow you to write down whatever you want to write down, your x-axis and your y-axis. So in my x-axis we have months, you can write down months. I will show you one more time. Access title, see, it's gone. Click here if you want. So bring your insertion point here, and write down months. I am going to write down months here. Similarly, click here. This is our y-axis. Here I can write down years. Right? So my years are here, my months are here. If you want to add your chart title, open this one, right? Chart, if I will see here, is gone. If you want, put check mark here, then you will see this box is highlighted. Select this and I am going to write down that this is my sales data. Right, open this again and see I did this and then data labels. What is the meaning of data labels? See, these numbers are not here, that this one in the blue one is 30,000, this is 20,000. If you want this data labels, then this is data labels, check mark here. Automatically you will see all numbers are here, but it does not seems good this time, so just remove this check mark from here. It's gone. Then data table. What is the meaning of this data table? Click here. You will see at the bottom your whatever numbers are here, it will also show here. That in January 30,000, 20,000 and so on. So like this, right? And from here, this is our legend. What is the meaning of legend? Legend means this series 1. It means it shows that blue one is the series 1 and then orange is the series 2. If you do not want this legend, remove this. It's gone. But normally we need legend, we need chart title, we need access, and sometimes also we use data tables or data labels as well. But I am not clicking here, I just show you. Error bars, we will discuss this later on. Right? So same function you can perform add chart element. Open this, data labels are here, right? And here data labels, but you can see here we have more option where you want to put data labels. In center, inside end, outside end, right? Different options we have. Here we have only data labels, but here we have different options. Chart title, chart title axis, primary, horizontal or vertical, how you want to write down. And then here, if you will click here this brush, with the help of this brush, see here, same, whatever here style we have here, whatever you want, you can change here your style as well. And from here color, you can change the color. See, now the colors are changing. From here, what color you want? If you like this color, so that is okay, right? Okay, after this is the filter button. What filter button does for us? Open this filter button. Here it says our all data is here from January, February, March and so on. If suppose we want to see only January, so January, February, March. If suppose you want to see 3 months, and then click on apply button, then see here we can see only 3 months data. I'm going to select all because we want all this time, right? So and from here same thing, you can change the color from here, you can change the color from here as well. Same palette is here. And that is the format, right? This is the design tab. Now click on the format tab. Here is the shape fill. Open this and see how, just click here and see what happens, right? It will change the color simply. And shape outline, how you want to show your this picture to your audience, and there are different style, right? Like this, like this. Just play with this, right? Soft edge or glow. If you will click glow, see here the border is glowing now. 3D rotation, click here. So see how easy it is to make our charts. Now see, this was the cluster chart. Now I will show you another chart. Again, you have to select all this data. Do not forget to select the data, insert. Now I am going to show you the pie chart, which will show you the proportions. So 3D donut, what you want, right? Like this, like this, like this. So I say, okay, like this I want. So these are my all the months. Here we do not have any sales. First of all, you have to select which style you want. I said, okay, I need this style or this style. See, in this style, the percentage is given 15% on this month, 14% this month, and so on. If you will open this, see here, our title is highlighted. You can change. Our label is there. Our legend. This is called the legend. Legend is also there. So this is our pie chart, right? If you do not want, or we can undo from here as well. Open this arrow, then if you want data labels, so see, click here, then we can have all the numbers are there. And same thing we can perform from here as well. So this is our pie chart, which shows the proportion. See, sometimes we forget to select the data. If I forget this data, go to the insert, click anywhere. We cannot make any chart. It's blank. Why? Because we forget to select the data. So select your data first, go to the insert, and then whatever chart. See here, this time this is our surface chart, and these are the different style of our surface chart, right? And this is our line charts. It will show you the pattern, different ways, right? Here is only the dot dot dot. Series 1 and series 2. 2018 is blue. See, you can see if I will click here, it is here and this line is here. It means the sale of 2019 is less compared to 2018. But again, right, again I am going to delete this and then select your data one more time. So in this way you will learn more. If you want line as well, right, see, these are the lines. Last time we had only dots, but if you want to see your data dot and line, so you can pick from here. These are the bubble style, whatever you want. Okay, now here it says switch row and column and change chart type, move the chart. What is the meaning of this? Now see, this is our price column and this is our quantity, right? If we want to make our chart, so see here, I will show you. Go there, and this time I say I need, or we can pick this one, right? This one. So on x-axis we have price. See, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the price, and this is our quantity, right? This is our quantity, and this is the relationship between these two. Sometimes we say it does not seems good. This price should be on the y-axis, and quantity should be on the x-axis. So what we have to do, you have to click on select data, this one, or right click and then select data, this one. Whatever you want, right? Whatever you feel easy, you can select this and then click on the edit button. Quantity, just click on the edit button. Here in the series name, whatever you want. I'm just going to write down Saima to show you. I said Saima, and then on x-axis, see, select this line and delete it. On x-axis, we want this quantity, right? So select this quantity on x-axis, delete this line and select this price on the y-axis and press OK and OK. Now we have, see, it is switched. Our price is on the y-axis and quantity on the x-axis. So in this way you can switch row and column. And after that you said, no, I do not like this chart style. I want another chart style. See, Saima is here, right? Whatever you want, you can write down. So now what you have to do here, change chart type. You do not like this style, so open this, whatever you want. This, right? Or if you do not want, click on the bar chart or pie chart or this chart, how you want to show your audience, right? Whatever method you like it. Just I say, if you like this one, then okay. So from here you can change the style of your chart as well. One way is to delete it and make it again. But if you do not want to draw it again, so this one, change chart type. Again, if you do not like, so change chart type, go there. What you want, line chart again, right? Or surface chart, which one? Or a stock or bar or what you want, right? This time I said I need, where is line chart? Okay, this one, or my bar chart is fine, or bar chart is fine, right? This one. And again you can perform the same function. Open this if you want title, chart, data, we have discussed all this. And then move chart as well. Press and hold. See, when this arrow will come, you can take your chart wherever you want. If you want to set here, just release it. Press and hold where you want. Now you can change and play with your chart, right? So I hope that this lesson is clear to you. Now I am going back and I will move very slowly. Each slide you have to read very slowly, right? Whatever I said is written here. All the steps are here. You can follow the steps, right? Or if you want, you can watch this video again and play with it. Chart layout and style. See, we had discussed all this. And then again same chart title. See, series 1 is here, series 2. Now you know what is the meaning of this legend. We can make the chart title, double click, right? All the steps are here. And these are the different styles, different layouts. And then to switch row and column data, right click, select data, or there is another option which I just showed you, so you can change your rows and columns. And then here change chart style, right? If you do not like, you can click here and make your own chart. After this is your exercise. You have to perform this. Open an existing Excel 2013 or 16 workbook. Use worksheet data to create a chart, right? Write down your own data and then play with the different kinds of charts. Change the chart layout, apply the chart style, then move the chart as well. In this way you will learn more. When you will involve, you will learn more. So I hope the lesson is clear. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.